Hey, this is my creality 3D printer. Now I can believe how nice it is. There's the name of it, the model. It's the 3rd edition. Never bought the Pro. Without spending extra money on the Pro. But I really like it. Some things I did to it. Let's upgrade the original bed surface, which came with this weird plate thing with some. I don't know what the material was. Forgot, but I didn't like that at all. I like this glass bed. But upon the ladder, the glass bed's not good for cold polyesters. So because it could damage the bed. Only problem I only put in the PLA. Nothing else. I like PLA. It's better for the environment. Other than that is I replaced this tube. Probably could tell it's not original. Even this connector here I've been known to fail or cause mass issues. Print quality. Haven't had no quality issues. Yeah, there's some temperature adjustments. You know, changing the temperature to higher temperature than max film can handle. But it puts on good on that. I put lower than 200 or 250. That's right, 250. 205. I put anything less than 205 on this PLA Plus I use here. It won't print too well, but I use 215, 220 Celsius. It prints perfect. But yeah, it works good. It's a really great printer. No problems so far. Just I did those modifications. The bottom is the bed. I believe so. This is the physical creality bed. This thing, you have to move it upwards a little bit so that it adjusts to the bed. Because this bed is thicker. See, millimeters a lot thicker than the other stuff, and it has some issues with this part scraping against here. So I lifted it up, and now I never had issues. I never had to test these. These very rarely. Every time the printers get moved around, I had to adjust these bed level, but I really don't level the bed that much. This stays level very well. I use these clips here and here. Perfect printer. I give it a full 10-star, but I only give it like an 8 because this tube nonsense. And it doesn't come with a mean bill. But again, I can't really complain because the price is amazing. I paid like less than 200 bucks. Around 100, a little above 150 I paid. But it's an amazing printer. I had a ANET A8, horrible printer. I had an Aurora A8, horrible printer. I hate to say bad things about them, and the company's entitled to their product. But again, these will give out better product. They're way safer. I have no safety concerns. Maybe it doesn't have a watchdog on there. That's my concern. But one of these days I'll swap out this board with a board that supports watchdog. Only few issues: cooling fan on the bottom doesn't turn on. This fan here is a part cooling fan, and the fan that attaches to the control box. They both in sync, so I don't want to wire that manually, but I should. I may actually add a external fan mod something. May have to make that blows like the AC, like some fan that was separate from the printer, so it could cool off after the printer turns off. Then I can turn it on manually. I like this printer. I've been printing a lot of Dungeons and Dragons stuff. This I will be reviewing on my channal. Alright, thank you.